It's time to get some colour on this bookcase. I'm going for a sage green. Yeah, lovely. It's going to get another few coats, so the colour will change a bit. And I've got a bit of white on the roller. That won't matter. Lovely. I do like that colour. I did give it a light sand before I went on top with the green. Let this dry and give it another sand. Different face from yesterday's video. I slept well last night. Take a look over there shortly. Get this first coat on. Go over, see how it's drying. It is time consuming, but it's quite therapeutic and relaxing. Well, that is it. It's had its first coat of green. Let's step back and take a look. Oh yeah, that's looking much better. Yeah, not bad considering it was a couple of old rough sawn planks. Nothing complicated really, was there, to make this? If you watched the previous videos, didn't cost much, less than $50 I would imagine. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. A little bit more prep work and finishing off to do, but for that at the moment, that's as far as I can go. Now let's go on to something else. Now the Shepherd's Hut wheels that I purchased, I've been giving them a spray with oil and WD. It's not really the best WD, but it does something, I think. They need probably soaking in a deep bath of diesel or something. Until I get round to it, I'll just occasionally come over here and spray and give them another soak. I think the next thing I'm going to do, spin them over, get the end caps off and see whether I can attack it from the underside. Okay, my next job is to go back over where I was doing the tiling. I've got to dampen that down. Yeah, it's important. Although it did rain a little while ago, it's actually still spitting there in the wind. Yeah, it's windy. Check the forecast. We've got another mini heat wave. Yippee! Yeah, it's getting back up to 36 again next week. So yeah, the plan me works. Okay, this is looking okay. Takes a while to set and go hard, but once it's pointed up, they should all be nice and secure. This is not always the best method, I must point that out, for laying certain slabs, but it's just foot traffic, and once it's pointed, it'll just be like, a solid surface. Can you wait till I've finished? So yeah, I mean, I've used this method because it's quick and easy, and for this particular application it's fine, just be walking in and out. What I'll probably do with the offcuts of plastic is line this out. Yep, stop the rain driving in. Get rid of this ivy as well. So I think in the next video I shall return out here and have another go. I don't want to do too much in one go because yeah, it was quite taxing. That's why I've done the painting today. You just have to plan your work, don't you? Okay, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.